Welcome to Training for You channel. Short story in English.
There is an antique radio in my house that my family has kept for decades. It was given to my grandparents on their wedding day from my great-grandparents. I don't know how old it is, but I suppose this wedding present is around 50 years old. It is brown, which gives it the impression that it is made of real wood, even though it isn't. What also strikes me is its size. It is as big as a 15-inch TV, and I cannot lift it on my own. With regard to its function, it can play music on the radio. My grandparents often play music on the radio before going to sleep. Besides that, it's also an object of decoration for my house.